Hello, my name is Mo, and I'm practicing Taekwondo, and I said this before, but I'm about a 15-plus year student of Grandmaster Kai Cho, who's been teaching for over 30 years at Cho's Taekwondo in Houston, Texas. These patterns are the patterns in the style and the tradition that we teach at Cho's Taekwondo. I'm putting these online to help students study for their black belt recommended tests, which you have to know 8 patterns. This is the 6th of those patterns. I still have 2 more to take, and since I started this, I had a shoulder injury. I'm under the care of a doctor. It's an acromyoclavicular separation grade 1, so it's not as serious as it could be, but I need to be careful and not practice patterns with power, not really use this arm very much. When I'm at school, I might even put it in a sling. But I just have to be careful. So on these patterns, I'm not going to do anything with power. I'm not going to really chamber with full force. I'm going to go slow. I'm just going to go through the details of the form, maybe some of the most common mistakes, and I'll do it front and back. And I wish I had thought of making these signs when I first started out, but the last 2 will have these signs. Anything else? Oh yeah, if you're starting out an exercise program, make sure you check with the doctor first, and if you're practicing outside in the heat of Houston, make sure you drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Okay. All right, so, Chumbi, get ready. Okay. She, chuck, in, up. And together. Okay. Back stance, chamber. Strike. And you're striking with this outside part of your hand. This is a ridge strike. Front snap, pushing block. Chamber again. Oh, I gotta be careful. It's very hard for me not to do things with power. Pushing block. Chamber, back stance, knife hand guarding. Make fist, shift into a front stance, elbow attack. Back stance, knife hand guarding, fist, shift, elbow attack. Front stance, twin high block. Bring the hands down just in the same form they are. Don't twist them. This is one of those exceptions. Front stance, bring the fist down like this. The palms facing down. Twin upset punch. Step, step, cross block. You're in a front stance. Back stance, chamber, inner forearm block. Shift into a front stance, down block, punch. Feet together, step out, back stance, inner forearm block, shift into a front stance, chamber down block, punch. Feet together, keep the hands high, shoulder level, get into a front stance, and twin upset punch. No, excuse me, twin block. Chamber, right hand out, left hand in for a left punch, back stance, left punch. Side kick, front stance, twin block, chamber. The right hand comes in because I'm going to do a right punch. The left hand stays out so I can pull it in as I'm punching out right. Back stance, right punch. Side kick, back stance, knife hand guarding. Shift into a front stance, pushing block. And when the hands meet, that's when you push, you snap. Pushing, snap, front stance, back stance, knife hand guarding, shift into the front stance, pushing block, back leg comes to the front, fist, you make fist, circle block. Okay, so as this one goes out, this one comes in. Circle block, like that. Back stance, chamber here, not closed, not open, half, that's a bear claw. Pole block. Elbows tucked for extra leverage. Feet together, back stance, pole block. Again, see, elbow tucked. Okay, and just a small space. Fingers are tight together. And pado. Ending. And feet together. together. Okay. From the back. Junbi. Shijak. In. Up. In. Out. And feet together. Okay. Back stance, chamber. Strike. Front snap. Pushing block. Same to the other side. Step, chamber, strike, snap, pushing block. Chamber, back stance, strike. Make fists, shift into the front stance. You do that at the same time, really. And strike. One elbow comes in as the other goes out. Think about move, chamber, land, strike. Okay? So chamber, so we got fist, one elbow's up, and strike. Stepping forward, double punch. Stepping forward, twin opposite punch. Yeah. Remember your step, so you get into a nice front stance as you turn. X block. Back stance, see chamber first. Block. Move and chamber. Land and strike. Move and chamber. Land and strike. Move and chamber, land and strike. Feet together. Front stance, see twin block. This is supposed to be even with your, and the fists line up with your center line, okay? Side kick, whoa. Sometimes when you slow it down, it really requires a little bit of balance. Pushing block. I'm gonna step back a little bit. Back stance, knife and guarding, pushing block, fists, see fists, circle punch, feet together, hands in, pole block, feet together, pole block, and pado, in, up. Okay, so that is Joong-Gun, Blue High. My name is Mo. I'm practicing Taekwondo. If you want to learn more about me, you can visit my website, www.expandingheart.com. There's free booklets, cards, other things, and the link to my YouTube videos. So that's all for now. Happy practicing. Peace, love, and happy practicing.